Well, we are back talking about Yahoo. Our guest is Stifel Nicolaus analyst Jordan Rohan, saying that the best outcome for Yahoo, as we talked about, might be a private equity firm buying Yahoo, right?
Right. The interesting part about Yahoo is how much value it still maintains for other companies. The reach of Yahoo, 700 million people worldwide, the frequency that people still check their email, their scores, their fantasy sports, and all the other things, it keeps them coming back. So despite the fact that the management team hasn't figured out a way to beat financial estimates, and it's been a company that's had a lot of drama,
right,
it might be better suited to be broken up into parts. Certainly the Alibaba Group management team wants its 40+% stake back. I don't know how that's going to happen. Perhaps private equity can fund that.
Let's stay with that for a second, because there's the argument that Alibaba could come out with some comment now and say, you know, we don't necessarily want to buy all that stake back, but we'll buy a portion of it. And then that would help for the market to have a good idea of what the valuation of that should be. And then arguably, if there's a private equity firm that wants to buy Yahoo, they would know, oh, okay, well, that's what Alibaba's worth. This whole math game gets a lot easier with Yahoo.
Right. Now, the trick, of course, is that Alibaba Group has gone through its own drama recently. If you remember,
right,
the Alipay asset, which had been part of the broader group, was slightly, well, just discarded and sort of given to the founder, Jack Ma, and a group of Chinese-only investors.
Right.
And that was a sharp stick in the eye for Yahoo. So the question is, if there isn't a concrete cash-funded deal to buy out that Alibaba stake, then what and whom can you trust? And that trust issue looms large in this. I do think that you would need to have the backing and implicit approval of the Chinese government in order for that asset to change. Remember that SoftBank, the Japanese company, has a stake in both Yahoo Japan and in Alibaba, so at some level they're playing a very important role here too.
Right.
Don't forget, of course, that Microsoft has the search business, and they're paying Yahoo about $1 billion a year right now.
A lot of money, yeah.
Yeah, so Microsoft has a vested interest in making sure that doesn't run away. It can't really, but they could certainly prepay some of that
right,
and not have to make these quarterly payments. That could be a source of funding for this deal.
Okay.
All of these things are lining up. People are hiring advisors, hiring lawyers to give them counsel on what to do, but the outcome is far from clear.
Jordan, thank you. Appreciate it. Appreciate you stopping by. Jordan Rohan of Stifel Nicolaus.